Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys another new CPA marketing traffic source I just discovered and it's actually working. Okay, but before I show you guys, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel, because this channel is about making money online. All the video here is about making money online. So if you are new here, kindly go back and watch other previous video. Okay, and before I proceed, this course I've talked about in the previous video, like CPA marketing mastermind, is not my course, but it's one of the best course for CPA marketing by Brandon Bisher. Okay, so in this course you'll be taught 12 different traffic sources. As you can see, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, niche blogging, Google display ads, email marketing, Twitter marketing, Craigslist, Pinterest, viral media, adult CPA marketing, mobile apps, and the total worth of this course is, let me say, roughly $3,800. But this course is on from his page. You pay $25 every month, and this course is for 12 months. That's a year. That's making it on $300. But actually I have this course at hand. I've purchased it already, so I'll be giving it out to you guys at 10,000 naira or $30. I've mentioned this before. So if you are interested in this course, because I'm not meant to share this with you guys, but I want to share because you guys were like my family now. Okay, so just check the description of the video, this video, contact me through Instagram and tell me that you need it so I can share it out with you guys. But it's paid. So I said it before, 10,000 naira or $30. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's go back. Okay, so I'll still be making use of this landing page I built long ago. So if you don't know how I went ahead about this, you can come back to my channel and watch this video. I think this or this, just watch any of it, you see the video there. Okay, so I made this using Google sites. So I did a giveaway landing page stating some offers there, like available for only US, available for UK, and available internationally. And I also like drop a disclaimer down that this is totally free, they're not paying for anything, so people can know that it's totally free. Okay, so now I want you to like create a fresh Gmail account, or if you have I don't want it to be your personal Gmail account because you're doing a little work here. Okay, so log into your Gmail. It will be best if you do it on system, or if you use your mobile Android phone and log in through Google Chrome and set it to desktop view. Then go back to the settings, then go to all settings. Then you have to scroll down to this last patch saying vacation responder. So you turn it on, and the subject you can put free 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 give away free giveaway offers. It's not a must you type in exactly what I'm typing. Okay, so they will be subject of the email. So the message will be hello, comma, then down here are some cool give away offers available for you to win without spending a dime. Okay, I'll put comma, then sorry, compose like check out the giveaway sorry the giveaway using this link. You can do something like this, then we'll go over here to copy the link. But once you have viewed it to be something like this, you build it, then you can just copy your link here, copy link, then you can go over here and like paste. Okay, and clear this, clear the home, then I'll just tap on save changes. Okay, so why is currently saving, so it have saved. So what this is all about is that once someone send you a message, what that vacation response means that when I turn it on, if someone send you a message on, send you an email, it will automatically reply the person sending them that email you just typed in. So you don't need to do any work. You just like an autopilot, like an autoresponder, something like an autoresponder. So what you have to do now is you should know the email address, okay, of the email you said this with. Then you can come over to Twitter here. Come over to Twitter. Okay, currently I'm not logged in because I usually log in on my mobile phone because I do most of my work on my mobile phone. Okay, so you can just come over and search for I need money or yes, something like that, and you can search, go over to the latest, so you can see latest email from people that are posting I need money. You can see January 19, I need something edited out of a picture of mine, but I don't have any money to pay you. Okay, that's not needed. Okay, ma, I've been engaging for 2 years. I hope I am lucky. Just got certified and put up my boss. I'm in shoemaking. I need this money to buy. Okay, she's replying to this tweet. So I have to look for, sorry. Okay, she is replying that, okay, let me see. Like replying to this woman that they don't, see as I don't, sorry. Okay, it's refreshing, sorry for that. So right, I need money. You can just reply. I don't think I'll be able to reply. Sorry. So you can just reply something like, let me show you what you can write. You can just reply writing something like, okay, let me type it here. You can just write it like, hello, I saw your tweet stating you need money for free. That's cool because I have, sorry, I have a great offer for you. Just email me at, then you paste the email. Okay, let me see, is just paste it like at gmail.com. So you send the person this tweet. So once the person replies you, when you send it tweet, person will see it, the person will send you message to the email. So immediately Gmail will automatically respond